Hey guys, Jim from Measure Square here. In this Android video, we're going to cover the different ways we can resize a room or an object like a cutout that can be used for cabinets, tubs, or sinks, just to name a few. To begin, we're going to select Room 8, tap on the eye icon, select Resize. We're going to start with Reopen to Draw. This is an easy way to reopen a room to draw if you have a Disto or Bosch digital laser connected and you're out on site measuring and you need to redo part of a room. Tap Reopen to Draw. Tap on the appropriate red X's to delete a wall that needs to be redrawn. Tap Continue at the top right, and this will throw you back into the free draw mode that we have covered in a previous video. Simply drag out your finger, shoot your measurement, and finish drawing a room correctly. When done, hit the check mark at the top left. Going back to resize, another great way to resize a room is using resize by drag. From here, we can easily grab onto these green arrows and drag out a room. If you want to redrag a wall to an arc, select arc at the bottom left, drag out the wall in order to arc that wall out. Very easy. You can also select corners at the bottom left to drag out a corner to create more odd angles. We can be taken directly into the drag out to an arc by selecting Create Arc from this menu. If we need to divide a floor into two separate areas, such as an open floor plan where a kitchen meets a living room and you need to add two different products, we can use the Divide Floor tool to split up a room into two separate areas. It's very similar to a free draw mode. We can snap onto a wall, drag out our line. If we have a disto connected, we can also shoot that measurement with our disto. Hit the check mark when finished. And now we have two separate areas. We can even drag transition/linear products onto that divider line. Now we can use split wall if we need to split up wall into segments to apply or not apply linear type products to certain areas, such as if we need a floor heater that does not receive wall base, we can split that area up. So tap on Split Wall, drag our finger onto the wall to the correct point, and then we'll see how that's split up into 5-7 and 5-2. It's still one long wall, but now we have segments broken up. Hit the check mark when done. Now if we need to edit a wall so we can add some type of product onto it, such as tile or a backsplash, we can select Edit Wall. Now we'll have a profile view of the four walls of this particular room. I'm going to place my finger in here to add areas that tile will only go, very similar to the Divide Floor tool. We can make these horizontal or vertical. If you need vertical, tap at the bottom left. Now I'll hit the check mark to finish that off. Now to see how we can apply product to this specific area, go to your views, view option, turn wall on, hit done. Now whatever room you select will have the profile view. We can go into our products. We will go to a dowel tile that we have selected, drop that in that area. As a great little shortcut, tap on that wall, tap the eye icon, hit copy profile, and now I can copy and paste this same design across all four walls to save some time. So I will tap Apply All. I'll see it shoot across, and it even takes into account the door. Now if we want to draw an internal wall, a pony wall, or any type of divided area using a wall, we can select Draw Wall and easily draw an internal wall. I can snap onto this wall, drag my finger out. Again, if we have a disto connected, we can use that to get our measurements as well. Once I am complete using this function, hit the check mark at the top left, and now we have our internal wall drawn. A great way to draw out a closet area that we want carpet to flow directly into and not have a scene created by a doorway. If I want to flip or rotate this room, we can also tap on the eye icon, go back to resize. We have the option to flip vertical or horizontal. If I tap vertical, we'll see how that flips vertically, and now we have that wall area we drew obviously on the top. Same idea when we use a flip horizontal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. and happy measuring.